Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. Welcome to 129 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. So what that means is I take scraps that people send in, and today it is Jacqueline Shields, so thank you so much, Jacqueline, for sending yours in. And I have 10 minutes to create a card using what is inside. So we're going to see what we have here to work with. And she sent me a little card and a note, and here are some pieces that she sent that I could use. We're going to check this out, make sure I'm not missing anything from the envelope here. Fun stuff. Look at this one. It says hope, pinks, and a blue butterfly, some more flowers, and a star. That's cool. Alright, and I made a card base 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 that I'm going to be doing the long way here, and I've got 10 minutes to create this card. So here we go. This is going to be a really unique card. I feel like I need to flatten this out a bit. This pink is just a little bit bright for my taste, so I'm going to see if I can, because I don't feel like it matches. Pull out a scrap and see if I can go over it with like a darker pink marker to make it match a little bit better. Like maybe this one. Let's see what color this one gives it. The other thing I could do is emboss this if I have time. But let's see if that made it a little bit more, not quite as dark. That could work. That could work. And we've got this flower doesn't quite match in, neither does this one. I wonder if we could maybe dye those. But we have some white ones, which also can definitely be dyed. So maybe, okay, let's see if we can just maybe put these in here. And that would give us a backdrop for our hope. What a great sentiment for this time of year, especially for what's going on in the world. I feel like this could even go a little bit darker. I'm trying to match like these darker reds, reddish pink here. Let me see if I've got one other color I could try. Let's see what happens when I add this color. Not quite what I'd hoped for, but I'm going to go over the whole thing anyway. So these are now, the 1 in 10s are now twice a week, Mondays and Wednesdays, both at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So in case you didn't know that, I'm going to add another piece of paper to the background here. I just need to find one from my stash that might work out. This is kind of cool. I don't work for my stash very much, but I am allowed to pull something out if I need it. My cat, I don't know, my cat's acting up today. She's being really strange. I'm going to go ahead and use some of this. That fits across. I don't know, my cat, I think my cat is really confused by everything that's going on right now. Because he is just really crying all the time. It's getting a little bit old. That on, and then this one. Again, this is number 129. That means there's 128 more of these you haven't seen yet. So if you enjoy this, just seeing what happens with some scraps in 10 minutes to create a card, this would be a really good thing for you guys to just check out right now. Give you something to look forward to. I'm going to add in a little bit of black or maybe a dark gray here to make that stand out. Make it kind of look like it's popping off this page. That's not bad. Pop these guys on with a little bit of liquid adhesive. I'm not going to color these white ones. I'm just going to put them right on here. And then put this one right over the top of them. So I'm just using this to pop on some dots of glue to maybe hold down that whole thing. And put the hope right over the top. That looks really cute. Let's go ahead and use this part. That's almost that same kind of funky color. Let's see if we can change the color of this to match. By just giving it a little bit of overhaul of color here. Looks a lot more like that. I'm going to cut this in half. If I can find my scissors. Ah, there they are. They're hiding. Alright. We're going to put these on the edge here. Where's my liquid adhesive? Make sure I get the right side up here. Make these look like they're kind of like holding this all together. Cool. And we have this butterfly yet. I think that we're going to add the butterfly to, I want to see what this looks like if we go over the top of it. I just want it to look a little bit pink. I mean, it could be a little purpley, that's okay. But the blue didn't really fit my plan, so I'm just going over it with my pink marker like I did with the other ones. Lots of ways you can take things that you have and change them to match your project. Now it looks a little bit more purpley, but I'm not going to mind that because I'm going to put this guy on the inside for a reminder of that hope message. I'm just tapping my finger in there to get rid of some of the glue. Perfect. So we don't want that to show through. And it looks like I have some dirt here, so I'll grab my little eraser that I use, see if I can get that dirt off of there. Not quite, but good enough. Alright, let's go ahead and add, I'm thinking maybe a little bit of black here. Do I have a black handy? Gosh, how much time do I have? I got a minute. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put some little dots here. I could have made them look like hardware, but on a cute card like this, I didn't really want to do hardware. That would look kind of weird. And then I'm going to go around this one more time with just the black. Shucks. I totally went over that. So now I'm going to have to make do by coloring that whole edge black. There we go. And I am running out of time, so we're just going to have to do the edges. But just so Jacqueline, just so your card isn't wonky, before I send this out, I'm going to fix those layers here by putting on an extra layer of black on top to make sure that all evens out, because I know I'm not going to have time to finish that right now. Oops. So I will fix that and make it look prettier. There we go. And that is the end of that one. Cute little card. Sign of hope with the butterfly coming out the front or in the inside. So I will stamp my information on the back, and this will get sent out directly to Jacqueline Shield for participating. So thank you so much. Down in the description box below, you will find a link to our drama and commitment free Facebook group called Quality Crafts. If you join there, we can give you the information so you can join in on this if you'd like. Again, I'm going to need those to be coming in because we're going to be doing 2 of these a week now, every Monday, every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. They're always going to be pre-recorded like this, so if you want to know when yours is coming up, check the file in the Quality Crafts group on Facebook. You should be able to find that. And if you are watching this in real time, like somewhere around between March 28th and April 4th, we have our grand opening sale at qualitycrafts.com, up to 50% off of many items in the store. We hope that you will participate in that. At least check it out. Sign up for our newsletter so when we have further sales and things, you'll be the first to know about it. I hope that you guys are staying well and staying safe, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.